This was my first impression when my mom gave this book to me. It was a present for my 10th birthday. I will do a review about this book later, and now let me introduce myself first. I'm Ari Sofia binti Ahmad Imran from Sekolah Kebangsaan Bukit Guntong. I'm 10 years old now, and I love to read as reading is the window to the world. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. Said by the late Dr. Seuss, the famous children's book writer. Now, I will start my review on this book. As you can see, the title of the book is Human Anatomy, How the Body Works. It is actually a non-fiction picture book. This book is written by Nicola Edwards, published by 360 Degrees Publications, and illustrated by George Ermos and Jem Maybank. This book has 40 pages, including the front and back cover. Before I get into the details of the book content, I'd like to take a look at the overall appearance of the book. This book has a hardcover, and the pages are made of very quality papers. No need to worry too much if your friends want to borrow this book, or maybe your little sister suddenly plays with it, because this book is very high in quality. It won't get torn easily. The size of the book is also quite big for me. I think it is because in this book we can see many charts of human body, and they have to make them big so that it is easier for us to read and understand. It also has an eye-catching, colorful illustration that makes every young reader wants to read it. Now, let's talk about the content of the book. This book has 11 chapters, starting with the first topic, Inside Your Insides. An introduction about the human body. In the second chapter, tell us about how our body systems work together. Human Anatomy introduces us to 8 body systems. There are also pictures of each system, and you'll be amazed by looking at all the graphics. Now, I know that the adult body is made of 100 trillion cells, 206 bones, over 600 muscles, and 22 internal organs. That was so amazing! In each chapter, there will be lots of pictures to describe these systems in fun and easy way. From chapter 3 to chapter 11 describes deeper about our body system, starting with the integumentary system, which is including the skin, hair, and nails. Fun fact about this system is the skin is the largest organ of the body, and it counts around 60% of our body weight. The other body systems are muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, and the urinary system. In chapter 4, talks about the muscular system. The muscular system manages all our movements. The most hardworking muscle is our heart, which pumps blood and beats over 40 million times a year. Then we have the skeletal system in chapter 5. We have about 206 bones. Over more than half of our bones are in our hands and feet. The body's digestive system turns what we eat into energy and nutrients, and then gets rid of what left, which is the waste. Do you know that our stomach acid is so strong that it can dissolve metal? Can you imagine that? Our respiratory system is what lets us breathe. Supplies oxygen to all the different parts of our body. Children breathe more quickly than adults because their lungs are smaller and they use more oxygen. It is because they need more energy. The circulatory keeps blood, oxygen, and nutrients flowing in our body. Our heart is a muscle of an apple. Its job is to pump blood all around our body. There are so many fascinating facts included in this wonderful book. For those who love science, this is the must-read book, as you will enjoy all the explanations of what was happening in our body systems. It provides answers to so many questions that children may have about their bodies and how they work. This book is really the most amazing learning resource for children and, of course, for adults too. To conclude, this book is enjoyable for children as well as for adults. It's a perfect book to read. I would really recommend everyone to read this wonderful book. Thank you for listening to my book review. Bye-bye!